Hey everybody! In this video, let's see how to create and manage timesheets in Zoho Practice. As an accounting firm, your team works across multiple client engagements at any given time. Tax filings, audits, compliance reviews, and keeping an accurate record of hours spent on each task is critical for billing and accountability. Without a structured way to log time, billable hours get missed and client invoicing becomes inconsistent. This is what the time tracking module in Zoho Practice helps you do. In this video, we will learn all about it. In this video, we will cover the following topics: creating a log entry, starting a timer, creating a weekly log, bill your clients, filtering timesheets, viewing timesheets in calendar view, other actions in time tracking. Let's get started. Creating a log entry. To create a log entry for a task, log into your Zoho Practice organization. Go to Time Tracking. Click Log Time. In the next page, enter the date, select the task, and enter the time spent on the task. If you want to set the start time and end time of the task, click Set Start and End Time instead, and enter the start time and end time. If the timesheet entry is billable, check this box next to Billable. Select the user from the next dropdown. Add notes if required. Click Save to create the log entry. Starting a timer. If you want to start a timer for a task instantly, go to Time Tracking. Click the Start button. To associate a task, click Associate Task. Select a task from the dropdown and check this box next to Billable if the task is billable. Enter notes if required. Click Start Timer and the timer will begin for the associated task. To pause the timer, click the Pause button. To stop the timer, click the Stop button. Creating a weekly log. If you want to record tasks completed over a week, you can create a weekly log in Zoho Practice. Go to Time Tracking. From the Log Time dropdown, select Weekly Log. Click the dates and select the week from the calendar. Select the task and enter the time spent on it in the corresponding fields. Check this box under Billable if the task is billable. Click Add New Row to add more tasks. Click Save and the weekly log will be saved. Billing your clients. Once you have created a timesheet and marked it as billable, you can bill your customers for it. Note: to bill your clients, you must integrate your Zoho Practice organization with Zoho Books. In this section, we will cover the following topics: enable task billing, integrate your organization with Zoho Books, bill your clients from Zoho Books, enable task billing. In order to bill your clients for your timesheets, you need to enable task billing from your organization settings. Here's how. Navigate to Settings and select Tasks under General. Click Enable Users to raise invoices for timesheets. Select whether you want to bill based on staff hours or task hours. Click Save. Integrate your organization with Zoho Books. Once you have enabled task billing, you can integrate your Zoho Practice organization with Zoho Books. To integrate, navigate to Settings and select Accounting under Integrations. Click Access Zoho Books. If you don't have a Zoho Books account, you will be redirected to the Zoho Books organization page. Fill in the required details and click Get Started. You can now start billing your clients from Zoho Books. Bill your clients from Zoho Books. Once you have created billable timesheets for your clients in Zoho Practice, you can invoice them to your customers from the same organization in Zoho Books. To bill your clients from Zoho Books, navigate to the Invoices module. Click Plus New to create a new invoice. Select the customer who you want to bill. You can now view the number of unbilled practice timesheets below the item table. Click the Unbilled Practice Timesheets. Make the necessary changes. Click Add. Make other required changes. Click Save as Draft to save the invoice as a draft, or Save and Send to send the invoice directly to your client. Filtering timesheets. Once you have your time entries logged, you can filter them to get a focused view of your team's work. Go to Time Tracking. On the top panel, you will find the View by Section. You can filter your timesheets by period. Select a date range to view entries within that time frame. To view entries for a specific client, filter by client. To view entries logged by a particular staff member, filter by user. You can combine multiple filters to get a more precise view. For example, all logged entries for a specific client within a given week. Viewing timesheets in Calendar View. In addition to the list view, you can also view your timesheets in a calendar view to get a day-by-day picture of hours logged. Click the calendar icon at the top right corner of the Timesheets page. Your time entries will now be displayed in a calendar format. Each date will show the tasks logged along with the hours spent. The total hours logged for the month will be displayed at the bottom of the calendar. To add a new time entry directly from the calendar, click on the respective date and enter the details. Other actions in time tracking. Let's look at some of the other actions you can perform on your time entries. To edit a time entry, click the edit icon next to the respective entry, make the necessary changes, and click Save. To clone a time entry, click the gear icon next to the entry and select Clone. To delete a time entry, mark the checkbox next to it and click the trash icon. To export your timesheets, click the More icon and select Export Timesheets. Select the module, choose the fields you want to include, and select the file format. Enter a password if you want the exported file to be password protected. Click Export. And that's a wrap for our video on time tracking in Zoho Practice. If you have any queries, please write to us at support@zohopractice.com. Thanks for watching.